Okay, Surprise Eyes, can you spot the smooth gold egg? Gold egg! Great job! Now let's crack open the gold fudge. Okay, can you spot the chunky gold egg? Spotted gold! Oh yeah, let's pop it open. Pretty princess. Can you spot the gold bunny? Gold bunny! Great eye! Let's hop to the fun. Here we go! Ready for another? Let's spot the Spider-Man egg! Spider-Man! Oh yeah! Crack open the Spidey fun? Yes. Oh, whoa! Can you spot the Captain America egg? Well then, where is it? Captain America! Good eye! Let's crack open the Captain fun. Captain America Mini! Oh, pop! Okay, can you spot the Batman egg? Point to Batman! Batman! Great job! Let's crack open the Bat fun. Batman! All right. Can you spot the green circle surprise? Green circle! Yep. Let's see what's inside. Arf, 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 arf. Let's be friends. Woof, woof. Can you spot the pink rectangle surprise? Point it out! Pink rectangle! Great work! Let's crack it open. Amazing! Hello, Kitty! Okay, I see a blue triangle surprise. Do you? There it is! Blue triangle! Great teamwork! Great surprise! Now for the Paw Patrol eggs! Where's the Marshall surprise? Marshall! Yep! Whoa! The gang's all here! Zuma! All right, where is the Sky surprise egg? Sky! Flying high with a Sky surprise! Sky! I see you! And finally, a Chase egg? Why, of course! What you hiding, Chase? Chick! Paw Patrol is on a roll! Now that was fun! Great job! School's out! A+ good time! And now, a Big Mouth blast!
From the past!
Welcome to Big Mouth Academy!
Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
It's a Big Mouth Academy color find. Can you find the colors? Blue. Can you find the blue surprise eggs? 1, 2, 3. Great job! 3 blue surprise eggs. Now let's crack open the fun. Minecraft. Beautiful pony! Red! Let's keep it up! Where are the red surprise eggs? 1, 2, 3! Great job! 3 red surprise eggs! Now let's crack open the red fun! Great! Everybody is a star! Rock and roll! Iron Man! Yellow! Okay, this will be fun. Where are the yellow surprise eggs? 1, 2, 3. We found them! 3 yellow surprise eggs! Now let's find out what yellow fun is in store. Ducky! Hop, hop, hop! Shake, shake, shake! Happy! I love you, Yellow. Boing! Bouncy, sticky suction fun! Green! 1, 2, 3. Only 3 green surprise eggs left! Now gimme! Let's crack open to see what's inside. Green bear! Wow, happy springy fun! Shake, shake, shake! Hop! Applause, please! That was fun! Great job!
School's out.
A+ good time! Surprise! Ready for some surprise egg fun? Let's open this surprise egg as fast as we can! Come on, faster! Faster! Ooh, Disney Frozen, Elsa's ring! Anna! Okay, now let's open this egg a little bit slower. Choco Crash! Trolls! Collect them all! Trolls figurine! Okay, let's take a breather. Let's open this surprise egg even slower. Disney Pixar Cars new glow-in-the-dark collection. Limited edition. World Grand Prix. Looking good. for some big fun. Let's open this surprise egg as slow as we can.
Shake, shake, shake. Rip. Crash. Up. Easy. Mixards. Magic Kinder. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Easy now. Little bit slower. Aha! Neato. Easy now. Slowly does it. Up. Careful. Slower. Okay. What a workout. Thanks for cracking us up.
Bye-bye. And now, a big mouth blast.
From the past.
Surprise! Okay, ready for some surprise egg fun? Let's open this surprise egg as slow as we can.
Kinder Joy. Let's get to it. But easy now. The golden rules of surprise. Rip. Rip. Yum, yum. Give me some. What's in here? Easy now. Looks like a surprise toy. Okay. Huh? Scuba what? Magic Kinder. Okay. Easy does it. Slowly now. Surprise!
Okay, great job. Let's open this surprise egg a little bit faster. Crash. Up. Disney Pixar Cars, new glow-in-the-dark collection. Limited edition. Aha. Okay, speed it up now. A little bit faster. Is it? It is! Tow-mater! Good job, friends! Now let's open this surprise egg even faster! Crash! Oh, it's a Spider-Man surprise with Marvel Ultimate Spider-Man! Ooh! Lizard! Now, let's open this egg as fast as we can! Come on, faster! Crash! Come on, faster! Go down the loose! Woo! Faster, faster! Zoo! Troubles! Okay, wow!
Thanks for cracking us up.
Bye-bye! And now, a big mouth blast!
From the past.
Surprise! Okay, ready for some surprise egg fun? Let's open this surprise egg as fast as we can! What is it? What is it?
Star Wars! Vader time!
Okay, now let's open this egg a little bit slower. Ooh. It rolls! Okay, Let's take a breather. Let's open this surprise egg even slower. Crash! Pop! The Disney Mini 3D Collection. Looking good, Minnie Mouse! Now for some big fun. Let's open this surprise egg as slow as we can.
Slowly now. Don't hurt yourself. Rip. Easy does it. Pop. Magic Kinder. This is gonna be fun if we take our time. Easy does it. Slowly now. Slowly. Huh. Looking cool. Looking great. Flip it, flip it. Too cool. What a workout! Thanks for cracking us up!